I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to activate notifications on your AT&T device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is usually represented by gear icon. Step 2. Select Notifications. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications option. This will take you to the notification settings for your device. Step 3. Choose your app. Find and select the specific app for which you want to enable notifications. This could be your messaging or email app. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the switch to turn on notifications for the selected app. Make sure the toggle is set to on. Step 5. Customize settings. You can further customize how notifications appear, such as sound, banners, or alerts. Adjust these settings to your preference. Remember, if you don't see the notifications, check if Do Not Disturb is turned on in your quick settings. Enjoy staying updated with your notifications.